Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so here I have some rainbow fish. This is actually the first time that I was working with this fish. I've never tried it before. As you can see, it's a small fish. So I didn't have any lime or lemon, so I decided to use vinegar in order to wash out my fish. So here you see me doing that, just to help to cut some of the freshness and so forth of the fish. Alright, so what I decided to do is I decided to cut it into fillets so that I would be able to fry the fish. So like I said, it's a small fish, so obviously you won't get much, but at least I was able to get from this fish two fillets, and then from the other fish another 2 fillets. So yeah, it's you won't get much because, like as you can see, it is a small fish, but it was the first time I was trying it, and the fish wasn't too bad. It's just that it's very small, so you don't get much. Here I am trying to remove some, was a bone that I felt, so I was just trying to remove the bone there. Okay, so to season my fish I use a ginger garlic paste. I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my ginger garlic paste. And here I'm adding some green seasoning to it. And I also decided to try the rotisserie chicken seasoning blend on it. So that's what I'm putting on here to season my fish. So I seasoned my fish the night before, so that I would have been able to fry it the next day for dinner. So here I'm just giving all the pieces a nice massage and working that seasoning into the fish so it can marinate overnight, get all the flavors into it. I'm curious to know what seasoning blends you guys like to use, so you can leave it in the comments below. Okay, so guess what time is it? Well, it's time to prepare dinner. So here I'm adding ghee to my cast iron skillet, and what I'm going to do now to flavor the ghee is I'm adding some, as you can see, some rosemary sprigs. I also added some seasoning peppers. These are not hot peppers. These are just flavoring peppers. You can add a hot pepper if you wish, if you like things spicy. But I'm just adding some of these seasoning peppers here to the ghee, and along with the rosemary to help to flavor the ghee. So you just want to leave these seasoning peppers and the rosemary in your cast iron pan just to infuse the ghee a little bit. Alright, so there you can see I have the fish fillets. Now what I did was that I had taken it out of the fridge so that it would come more to room temperature before having to fry it. And as you can see, the method I'm using here to fry it is not using any flour. Of course, if I had to use flour, I would have used gluten-free, and you can use your regular flour, but this method is without using any flour. So I did speed up the footage for frying, but basically you would cook one side and then you would cook the other side. Now of course remember, fish doesn't take very long to cook. I'm just doing this for 30 seconds.
on this side, and then that's it. So I did 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, and I'm just doing a last 30 seconds on this side.
And so yeah, you can make this as you know a side for your dinner one night. Like I said, it's not very thick fish, so you wouldn't get much. But you know, you can have it with either some potatoes, you know, however you want to do your potatoes, whether you want to do a mash or a roast. You can have it with it, or even like a green banana mash. I used to do that pretty often, and sometimes I mix it with other, like I would add potato to it. But yeah, I just thought I would share this dinner idea with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.